This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return manually. First, gather all your essential tax documents, including W-2s from employers and any Form 1099s for other income. Next, you'll need to obtain the official tax forms directly from the IRS website or a public library. It's crucial to determine your correct filing status, whether you are single, married filing jointly, or another category, as this impacts your tax calculations. This initial preparation ensures you have everything ready before you begin filling out the forms. Once you have your forms, begin by accurately entering your personal information and all sources of income. This includes wages, interest, and dividends. Next, identify and calculate any deductions or credits you qualify for, such as student loan interest or child tax credits, which can reduce your taxable income or tax liability. It is absolutely essential to double-check every calculation and entry to prevent mistakes that could lead to processing delays or issues with the IRS. Accuracy is key in this step. After completing all the necessary sections, take time to thoroughly review your entire tax return. Look for any blank fields or missing information that could cause your return to be rejected. Ensure all required supporting schedules, like Schedule A for itemized deductions, and other statements are properly attached. Before mailing, always make a complete copy of your entire tax return, including all attachments, for your personal records. This copy is vital for future reference or in case of an audit. The final steps involve signing and dating your tax return in all the required places. This signature certifies that the information provided is accurate to the best of your knowledge. Then, carefully mail your completed return to the specific IRS address designated for your region and filing type. These addresses are available on the IRS website. Consider using certified mail for proof of submission. Also, for those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals by clicking the link in the description below. Happy reading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.